In this video, I will be showing you how to set up Base44 agents to summarize your emails and manage your daily tasks. Let's get started. I'll begin by navigating to the Super Agents tab on the left-hand menu to start building my new agent. In the prompt box, I'm going to type out exactly what I need, which is a personal assistant that can read my emails and provide a daily summary of my tasks. Once I hit enter, the platform starts thinking and sets up the foundation for the agent. To give the agent access to my data, I need to connect it to my Gmail account. I'll click the Connect to Gmail button, which brings up the standard Google authorization window. Here, I'll select my account and carefully review the permissions. It's important to check the box that allows Base44 to view email messages and settings so it can function correctly. After I click Continue, the connection is finalized. Now, the agent is ready to work for me and lists its core features, including email summarization and real-time alerts. It asks if I want a summary of my recent emails to get started, so I'll simply reply with, OK. The agent then runs its commands to scan my inbox and identify key action items. Within seconds, it delivers a perfectly organized summary, highlighting urgent tasks like trial expirations and security alerts, and even offers suggested next steps to keep me productive throughout the day. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.